Welcome back to our channel. Today we are making a delicious and healthy lentil dish with Matsun and fresh herbs. Just look at this final result. It is creamy, fresh, colorful, and full of homemade flavor. The lentils are soft and nourishing. The Matsun makes the dish light and creamy. The fresh herbs bring so much aroma, and the golden fried onions on top make everything even more delicious. This is a simple recipe, but it feels very special. You can serve it warm or enjoy it cold during the summer. Now let's see what we need for this recipe. Brown lentils, Matsun or thick plain Greek yogurt, onions, garlic, cilantro, dill, parsley, vegetable oil or melted butter, salt, and black pepper. Let's start cooking. First, we prepare a pot of water. We bring the water to a boil because we are going to cook the lentils. Now we add the lentils to the pot. We cover the pot with a lid and let the lentils start cooking. While the lentils are cooking, we begin preparing the onions. We finely chop the onions. Onions are very important in this recipe. They add sweetness, aroma, and a beautiful golden flavor. Now the lentils are boiling. We add salt to the pot. Then we lower the heat and continue cooking until the lentils become soft and tender. While the lentils are cooking, we add vegetable oil to a pan. You can also use melted butter if you like a richer flavor. Now we add the chopped onions to the pan. We start sauteing them slowly. We add a little salt, then we add black pepper. We continue cooking the onions until they become soft, fragrant, and beautifully golden brown. This step brings so much flavor to the whole dish. Now we squeeze or mince the garlic. We add the garlic to the onions, mix everything together, and cook for just a short time. About 30 seconds is enough. We want the garlic to release its aroma, but we do not want it to burn. At this point, the kitchen smells so warm and inviting. Now the lentils are ready. They are soft, but still hold their shape. We take them out with a slotted spoon and let them cool slightly. Do not discard the cooking liquid. We will need some of it for the Matsun. This warm lentil liquid will help make the Matsun smoother and easier to mix. Now let's prepare the herbs. We finely chop cilantro. Then we chop dill, and then we chop parsley. The aroma is incredible. Fresh herbs make this dish brighter, lighter, and more beautiful. Now we take the Matsun. If you do not have Matsun, you can use thick plain Greek yogurt. We add a few spoonfuls of the warm lentil liquid into the Matsun. Then we mix it well until it becomes smooth and creamy. This helps loosen the yogurt and gives it a softer texture. Now we start combining everything. In a large bowl, we add the cooked lentils. Then we add the fresh herbs. Now we add most of the fried onions with garlic. We keep some of the onions aside for the top. They will make the final presentation even more beautiful. Now we gently mix the lentils, herbs, and onions together. The colors already look so fresh and appetizing. Now we add the creamy Matsun mixture. We mix again, gently and evenly, until everything is beautifully combined. The lentils become creamy, aromatic, and full of flavor. Taste and add a little more salt if needed. And that is it. Our lentils with Matsun and fresh herbs are ready. Now we add the remaining golden onions on top. Then we add a little more fresh herbs for color, aroma, and a beautiful final touch. Just look at this dish. It is creamy, fresh, healthy, and so comforting. The lentils are tender. The Matsun is smooth and light. The herbs are bright and aromatic, and the golden onions make every bite rich and delicious. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, share our recipes with your friends, and subscribe to Silver Spoon channel for more cozy homemade recipes. See you soon in the next video. Bye!